So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.
So I woke up this morning and did my skincare routine, which I do have a video up on my channel, guys. Everyone always asks about my skincare when I wear my face, I guess. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair in the last video. I didn't know that y'all was gonna like, you know, my hair like that. I'm gonna just go from start to finish really quickly on how I do this style. It's super easy. And when y'all see it, you're probably gonna laugh, but let's just hop right into it. Literally the first thing that I do is slide off my bonnet, and it's gonna look crazy like this. And then I'm just gonna comb my hair. And because I didn't sew down the back of my head, I be like pulling my wig down. Before I go in with anything else, I like to use something to just tame my flyaways. So I've been using this Bio Silk lately. It just looks like this. I got mine from TJ Maxx for $12.99. So I guess for today, I'm gonna be doing a side part. In that video, I did it as a middle part and it was cute. Today we're gonna do a side part. Basically, you don't have to have perfect hair, perfect wigs, perfect lace fronts. You don't have to be a hairstylist to do this. It's super, super easy. So what I'm gonna do right now, just to kind of show you guys, first things first, I'm pulling out what I like to call like this little piece, because I actually like to curl that piece, and then usually my lace front is down a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is kind of just start wherever, taking my hands kind of like this in this motion, and my nails help me out a lot too. But I'm just tugging the hair and making the braid so much bigger. And then when you have pieces down here that you didn't grab, I kind of just take my thumb and scoot it up into the braid. Generally, I like to keep these kind of close to the front, but it doesn't really matter because I like to separate it so much that the crown is really, really big. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of you guys are asking for a tutorial, so here it is. So I also thought that this would be really, really cute with these little accessories you can get from the hair store. They just look like this. I usually wear these with like my braids and stuff, but I've seen people put these in their little crown and make it really, really pretty. In normal time, it usually takes me about 7 minutes. I can do this before class, but usually I just do it the night before, put my bonnet on, and when I wake up, my hair is done. Thanks so much for watching.